Okay guys, so nandito tayo sa Las Vegas Strip at pupunta tayo sa paborito ko, Panda Express. Alright, dun pa yan eh. Samahan nyo ako guys, punta natin. Go! Woo! Init. Layo na. Simba. Enjoy the view guys. Alright, so yan Jabberwockies, may show sila. Nakakasaan. So dito guys, yung Panda Express dito, ewan ko lang kasi nasasarapan ako dun Tapos marami yung malaking servings nila. So mainit lang talaga ngayon dito sa Las Vegas. Siguro mga parang ngayon hindi gaano kasi last year nandito kami. Unbearable talaga pero ngayon kaya naman. Siguro mga 2 beses ang init ng tanghaling tapat sa atin. Dito na yan, alam ko. Alright. So ayun guys, after how many years? 4 years yata, kain na uli ako dito. Init. Sheesh. Tapos after natin kumain, balik tayo din sa suite naman ni Sir Sean. Sa Skylofts naman yun. Mas matindi yun guys, Skyloft. Dahil pero pinakamatindi yung kay Boss Manny. Oh, Mario! Hello, it's me, Mario. Woo! What up, champ? What up, champ? Woohoo! Init. Grabe imagine napakainit tapos yung mga yun. Diba nakasuit sila ng pang mascot na ganun, grabe. So I think malapit na tayo Init. Food court, ayun yan na yung food court. Ito na, samahan niyo ako guys. Shit, init talaga guys. Yung heat wave, grabe. Shit. Parang imposibleng maglakad doon kung gusto mong dalawin yung Venetian o yung Caesar's Palace kasi sobrang init. Yan. Dito ako kumakain lagi pagka nandito ako sa Las Vegas guys. Yan, Panda Express, makikita nyo agad yan. Yan, ang sarap dyan kasi ang laki din ng serving. Tapos multiple na yung ulam din. Nakalimutan ko kung ilan yung pwede mo piliin or piliin. Pero let's go. Dahil ako'y doon goods na. Hi. 1 and 3, 1. One side, one. Yeah, the bigger plate, ma'am. Bigger plate. Yep.
You want bigger plate?
Yeah.
Which one do you like?
This one, yeah. Right. So I gotta choose like 3, right? Okay. Maybe this one. I think this is the same, right? And maybe here. This one. Yeah.
Spicy and spicy.
Yeah. I love it. And this one is different, right? This one.
That one is honey.
Oh yeah.
That one?
Yeah.
Or that one?
This one.
That one is with
Okay.
spicy.
All right. Yeah. Three entries and 1 fry. Or maybe the is this like iced tea?
Yeah, kind of.
Okay, yeah.
So what's
Yeah, the last one. Yeah, lemonade.
one ice?
Yeah. Alright. Kasi napagod talaga tayo. Kanina press conference no. So, let's go, champ. Tsaka I don't know kung mauubos ko to. Mahina lang ako kumain.
No.
Pero pag hindi ko naubos, taling ko na lang sa room ko. Ayan.
Go like empty.
Yep.
We're here to go.
I think we're here. How much?
Give me 1, 2, 3. So your total is 1907, please.
Okay. So almost 20 bucks na yan, guys. Is it enough? Yeah.
Thank you. You want sauce?
Yeah. We have spoon, ma'am?
No, we don't have spoon.
Okay.
We have that one.
Yeah. That will. Okay, thank you. Okay guys, so banatan na natin to. Gutom talaga ako. Yun oh. Pero almost 20 bucks, parang 1,000 na yun. Okay. Kulang 1,000 na din. Yan. Let's go. Ayan guys, so sarap siya. Panghang lang. Go. Okay guys, kain muna ako. Alright guys, dahil sa sobrang dami at mahina tayo kumain, hindi natin naubos yung yung ating food, pero take out natin yan. So lakad na tayo pabalik, yan. Papakita ko sa inyo yung Las Vegas Street. Let's go. Mainit lang talaga guys. Woo! Grabe. Actually, may enjoy nyo ito. Ibili talagang unbearable yung init eh. So, ngayon mas ano naman siya, katanggap-tanggap. MGM. Tapos yan, nandyan actually may poster dyan sila, Boss Manny. Yan, dito lalabas yung poster ng Pacquiao Barrios. Pero huwag na natin yan tayo matagalin. Kasi ito mga jersey oh. Dami, solid yan. Pero hindi pa kayo ng panahon ng shopping. So dito sa US, priority yung ano, yung